Can anyone
Something
define
which
here
is
what is
constant
set?
for everyone.
Okay. And the proper definition is what? What is a set basically? It is,
The well-defined collection of objects.
yeah, it is well defined collection of object. Okay. In that, object can be number, letter, word. You can say that anything. Okay. So that element can be, or an object can be anything, an element, a letter, word, things. Okay. But if you have to look at the two words here, that is a very important. The first word is well defined, second word is the collection. Okay. Set is denoted by, it is denoted by, okay, the capital A, capital B, capital C, the X, Y, Z, U, okay, W. Okay, these are the words, you can say that these are the letters, okay, for the denotion of the word sets. Okay, element of the set, element of the set is denoted by, element of the set is denoted by the small a, b, c, okay, and so on, x, y, z. So what is the difference between capital A and small a in this? Okay, so capital A is used for the sets, the denotion of set. But when we talk about the element, okay, that is denoted by small letter A, B, C, and O. Okay, it is represented by, or we can say that sets is represented by, represented in, or represented always with the help of, the curly bracket, with the help of curly bracket, in which all collection, in which all elements are separated by comma. All elements separated by comma. So clear with this? Yes. What is the meaning of set? Just write it on this, guys. And what we have to remember, the key point here, the first key point is well defined, the second key point is the collection, and third key point is the curly bracket. Okay, there's three things you have to remember. Now just identify which is set here. The first, okay, a equal to 1, 3. Second, b equal to 1, 3. Third, c equal to 1, 3. And the fourth, none. If I ask you which define sets here, which option defines sets here?
Option A.
Option A
First
defines
one.
set.
One.
First one defines it. Why? Because it is if you look at this, the A is the collection of only 1 and 3. Okay, but if we talk about what is the set, this means 1, 3. Okay, this is called the infinite collection. Why? Because in between 1 and 3 you have to collect all the number. So you have to collect all the number in between 1 and 3. So tell me the collection of all the number in between 1 and 3. क्या सब हो सकता है?
2.
Dear, it will be 1.1 also, 1.1111 also, 1.2 also, 1.00002 also. Everything, a single real number which lies between 1 and 3 that you have to collect, including with 1 and 3. That is the meaning of this term. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this, we have here only 1 and 3. But here we have all the number, all the real number which lies between 1 and 3. So are we able to define this? Are we able to define? यदि मैं आपको बोलूंगा कलेक्ट करो 1 से 3 के सारे नंबर, क्या सबका आंसर सेम आएगा यहाँ पे? यस गाइस? नहीं आएगा। कैसे आएगा? किसी ने ऐसा लिखना स्टार्ट किया सर कि द बी वी विल गेट हियर द 1.1। किसी ने कहा सर मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा 1.1, मैं 1.111 लिखूंगा। किसी ने बोला कि सर 1.0000001 लो सर, फिर किसी ने कहा 1.0000001 लो। मींस लुक एट दिस, मींस वी कैन नॉट से दैट हियर कि दैट विल बी द वेल डिफाइंड कलेक्शन। What is the meaning of this part? What is the meaning of this? The open bracket. Open bracket means we are not taking 1 and we are not taking 3. Means excluding 1 and 3, we have to collect all the number which lies between 1 and 3. All the real number. But what is the meaning of the A? What is the meaning of this first option? The meaning of the first option, we have, what we have here? We have only 1 and 3. Only 1 and 3. And that's why it is called as what? Well-defined collection. And that's why this is the answer for set. This is the answer for set. Clear? Yes,
sir.
Okay. Now after that we'll talk about representation, or we can say that a basic if you want to write on, there are two ways to represent, okay, or form of what we can say that formula representation, form of sets bolo. Just a second, just change the heading. Method for represent sets. There are two methods for represent set, okay. There are two methods. First method is called as a tabular method or tabular form. Tabular method, or you can say the tabular form. It is also known as comma form. It is also known as what? Comma form. Okay, tabular form, comma form. It is also known as roster form. Roster form. Okay, the second we have, or second type of form, or second method you can say that to represent the set, we have the set builder form. Set builder form. It is also known as rule form. It is also known as statement form. Statement form. But how to identify here कि कौन सा tabular होगा, कौन सा set builder होगा, okay, or how to write on the tabular and how to write on the what, the statement form. Okay, the simple thing, यदि आपको tabular form में यदि आपको convert करना है और identify करना है, तो यहाँ पे मैं key point लिख रहा हूँ कि all the elements separated by comma. All the elements separated by comma. Such type of form is called as a tabular form. And what is the key point to identify this? Obviously, so set is defined with the help of, you can say the English language, or you can say that with the help of statement. With the help of statement, then it is called as the set builder form. Like if I talk about the example for this, if I talk about the example for the set builder form, okay, कैसा लिखा रहेगा कि there is the set A and it is written. Set means what? There should be a curly bracket. Whatever you want to write it on. But first and the most important job is you have to put the curly bracket. Then you can say that it is a set. Okay, the example, let's there is the set and it is written there collection of what? Natural number. Collection of natural number less than 7. collection of natural number less than 7. So if you observe this type of representation or method to form or represent a set, can we say that it is basically in a statement form? Yes, guys. एक ऐसा लिखा हुआ है, statement form में लिखा हुआ है. Because of that, we can say that this is called as a set builder form, or you can say that rule form or statement form. Okay, but if I have to write on the same set here, if I have to write on the same set into set builder form, I will write on set A equal to collection of all the natural number which is less than 7. It means that we are talking about for 1, we are talking about for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Everyone got
Yes,
this? The Smith?
Yes, sir.
So when
Yes, sir.
a representation is separated by comma, एक कोई आप जो सेट लिख रहे हो वो यदि सेपरेट है कॉमा से तो उसको हम बोलेंगे टैबुलर फॉर्म, कॉमा फॉर्म और रोस्टर फॉर्म. लेकिन एक कोई सेट है जो जिसमें एक स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म लिखा गया है, then we can say that such type of form as a what? Such type of form as set builder form, rule form और स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म. सर ये तो आपने समझा दिया द स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म ऐसा रहेगा. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रूल फॉर्म? सो सपोज इफ यू हैव सेट बी, ओके, वो ऐसा लिखा गया है कि x such that x either you can use this symbol or either you can this symbol. X such that x equal to 2n plus 1 or x equal to 2n, where n belongs to natural number. Okay, there are two things. Okay, सबका मीनिंग मैं समझा दूंगा, so don't worry about it. Okay, जो उनका मतलब है I'll tell you, don't worry. इस सिंबल का जो मतलब होगा वो मैं बताता हूँ थोड़ी देर मीनिंग. Okay, n belongs to the n natural number and where n is less than 6. n is less than 6. Can we say that इसमें एक रूल बना दिया है कि हम what is the meaning of this symbol first? Just tell me guys, क्या मैंने बोला था इसको? It is such that. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Such that. Okay, either if you use this ऐसा रहेगा और ऐसा रहेगा, दोनों का मतलब क्या होता है? Such that. What is the meaning of this symbol? Belongs to. Okay. अभी मुझे कोई एक स्टूडेंट का हेल्प चाहिए यहाँ पे ताकि मैं उसको अच्छे से मतलब पूरे सब स्टूडेंट को उससे क्लियर होगा. Now, just a second. Suyas, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen. ये सेट B लिख रहे हैं हम. Okay, we are writing set B. Yes. Okay. Means if you are writing set B means what we are doing here?
सर इधर सेट भी मतलब दो बना रहे दूसरा.
नहीं. We are collecting. Set means what? We are collecting the things according to definition of set. What we are doing? We are collecting. What we are collecting? We are collecting x. Yes, very important. Everyone, इसको यदि समझ लिया ना तो आपका फिर सेट में मतलब कुछ तकलीफ नहीं रहने वाला. What we are collecting? We are collecting as if we are writing set, it means we are collecting the things. Yes, but what we are collecting? We are collecting x. But what is x? What is x? So yes, are you there? What is x?
Sir, x is equal to 2n.
Means we are collecting what? We are collecting alphabets? No. What we are collecting? We are collecting x.
No.
But what is the nature of x? Nature of x is a number.
A natural number.
Number. It is a number.
No.
Okay, don't say natural number because that is the second statement. Okay, first thing, we are writing set. If we are writing set, what is the meaning of this symbol, guys? इस symbol का मतलब क्या होता है? The collection. Yes. So we are collecting. What we are collecting? We are collecting x. What is x? X is a number. But which type of number? The number is a natural number. Yes. But कहां तक natural number जा रहा है? But that number is less than 6. n is less than 6. हर एक वर्ड का मतलब समझा, हर एक स्टेटमेंट जो उसमें लिखा गया है. It's clear? Everyone, just let me know. किसी को कुछ कंफ्यूजन है? Should I repeat again? Amitoj, should I repeat again? Dasmit, clear?
Yes.
Okay, so what we are doing here, we are writing a set, means we are collecting the things. Collecting the things, got it. But what we are collecting? We are collecting a number. Okay, which type of number? The natural number. Yes, the nature of that n is was basically natural number. और वहां पे भी क्या कर रहा हूं? It is, I'm not saying it's collecting the natural number. I'm not saying like that. I'm saying that कि जो relation है, okay, in that n belongs to, we are collecting the number, but in that n belongs to the natural number, and in that n is less than 6. So this is called as, can we say that एक rule बन गया, एक ऐसा rule बना है. What is rule here? कि rule जो आपका जो x होगा ना, that will be the double of the number. Yes. Got my point? जो आपका कलेक्शन है x का, वो कैसा है? x equal to 2n है, and this is called as the rule form, set builder form or statement form. Clear? Suppose if I have to write on this set b here, in means we have to write on this b set there. What I have to write on here? कैसे लिखूंगा? Can anyone tell me the elements in the set b? Tabular form में कैसे लिखा जाएगा? Yes, yes. Gauri, Atharv Jadhav. Hello. Hello, am I audible? We are collecting what here? We are collecting x. We are not collecting n. यहाँ पे जो n का possible value, if I ask you what is the possible value of n, then your answer should be less than 6. और n किस टाइप का है? n is natural number. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the possible. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the possible number for n. But we are not collecting n. What we are collecting? We are collecting what? X. So if I talk about what is the possible value of x? Possible value of x. So x बराबर 2n है, but n का value 1 है. The possible value of x will be what? 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Means if you have to convert this set into set builder form or into roster form or tabular form or comma form, so I will collect 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Got my point, guys? Everyone? Hello.
Yes. Yes.
So what we are collecting here? We are collecting x. We are not collecting. I'll take out the value of n from the given the rule. Okay, but I am collecting x. So what is x? X is 2n, and this is called as to method. Means आपको क्या दिया रहेगा? Suppose आपको ये दिया रहेगा तो ये पूछेगा. Means convert करने के लिए. Means suppose set builder दिया है तो बोलेगा roster form में convert करो. If roster will be given, then set builder form में convert करो. And from here you will get 2 marks. एक 100% एक क्वेश्चन रहेगा आपको डेफिनेशन ऑफ सेट से कि which is set or which is not set. Okay. दूसरा क्वेश्चन आपको रहेगा ऐसे convert set builder into roster or roster into set builder. We will look it into that. Okay, don't worry. But अभी तक मैं आपको मेथड और रिप्रेजेंटेशन और मेथड टू फॉर रिप्रेजेंट सेट्स वो चीज क्लियर हुआ कि कितने टाइप से हम रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. तो हाउ मेनी टाइप्स वी हैव 2 टाइप्स. द tabular form, it is also known as comma or it is also known as roster. Second we have set builder form, rule form, and statement form. Everything is clear? इसमें किसी को कुछ इशू है? Just let me know, guys. Now we have to talk about two important what we can say that कि जो element है या represent करने का जो symbol है तो उसके बारे में एक बार देख लेते हैं हम लोग. One is the belongs to. It is represented like this. Okay. As belongs to, and second we have does not belongs. It is represented like this. Now वो डिस्क्लेमर होता है ना, आप लोग देखते हो ना डिस्क्लेमर एक रहता है. ये पॉइंट में लिख रहा हूं और इसमें आप लोग कंफ्यूज करोगे तो हमेशा याद रखना कि ये पॉइंट जो मैं अभी लिखा रहा हूं उसी को याद रखना है फॉर द बिलोंग्स टू एंड द डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू. दिस और दिस means belongs to or does not belongs to, specifically used to or used for an element used for an element of sets. अभी इस वर्ड को लिखो, मैं कुछ टाइम के बाद जब इस पे क्वेश्चंस मैं आपको बताऊंगा ना, इस पे क्वेश्चन करना स्टार्ट करूंगा, तब आपको समझेगा कि इनका मतलब मैं क्या बताया था आपको, कि ये जो दोनों सिंबल है मींस बिलोंग्स टू एंड डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू, इट इज स्पेसिफिकली यूज्ड फॉर एन एलिमेंट ऑफ द सेट. ओके, ये सेट के लिए यूज नहीं होता, ये किसके लिए यूज होता है? इट इज यूज्ड फॉर गाइस एलिमेंट. When suppose if we have A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if I ask you, okay, 1 belongs to set A or not, what is your answer? Can we say that here 1 belongs to set A, 2 also belongs to set A, 3 belongs to set A? Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is an element. So 1 belongs to set A, 2 belongs to set A, 3 belongs to set A. Can we say that here? So this belongs to set A? Is this right? Yes, guys. Is this right? No, it is not right, because if you look at this does not belongs to. Why? Why? Because this is not an element. Not an element of set A. Not an element of set A. Clear with this? Hello? Got it?
Yeah.
No. Okay. यदि आप लोगों ने को ये पूरा चीज समझ में आ गया, तो मैं अभी कुछ आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ, बताइए. Set A is written, let's assume the set X. Why I'm using all this set? Set X is written like this: 0, -1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, -2, then -3. Okay. No, well, you have to fill. Okay, you have to just fill in that. The first question is 0-X. Okay. The second, -2-X. Third, -4-X. Fourth question is -2-X. Fifth question is -3-X. Now everyone, you have to tell me, okay, what we have to fill here. Fill this symbol or this symbol. What we have to fill in this? So what is the answer here? क्या आएगा? 0 belongs to. Guys, speak up. Okay, if you are feeling like कि हम नहीं बोलेंगे और हमको मन में आता है, तो उससे आपका improve नहीं होने वाला. Maths is all about the discussion. जितना आप डिस्कस करोगे, जितना बोलोगे, उतना आपको क्लियर होगा. Okay, so 0 is what here? What we have to fill here? Belongs to. What about here? Yeah, -2 what? Belongs to or does not belongs to? Yes. Just a second, guys. I think there is the audio problem from my side. So tell me, what we have to fill here?
Belongs to.
What about here?
Does not belong.
What about here?
Does not belong.
Belongs to or does not belongs to?
Does not belong.
What about here?
Belongs to.
It is belongs to. Look at this. This is not a set. -3 is a not set for X. It is a separate set. That is fine. But this is means we can say the set of -3 is act as an element. जब आप x के अंदर में ले रहे हो ना, तो it is act as an element for set x. We can say that it is set, but when you put into another set as an element, it will act as an element. So -3 belongs to what? The set x. So clear? ये चीज समझ में आ गया? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, the last question of the day. आप अब solve करके बताइए क्या आएगा? The question is convert into set builder form if the set B equal to 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, 1/6, 1/7, 1/8. Solve this question and you may leave. Yes, so yes, we are collecting something here. What we are collecting? What we are collecting? Tell me a number. So can we say that? Am I audible? Yes, everyone? Okay, so we are collecting numbers. So let's assume that we are collecting x, but x such that what is the nature of x? That nature of x is what? The number. So x equal to now what we have to write down here? If you look at the numerator 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 means every time we'll get 1. हर एक x में 1 आएगा, so we'll get the 1. Then we have divide by. Now if you look at the first term, we know that if I have to write on this thing, so we have to write on an expression or an equation for in between x and n. x और n के बीच में एक तो हमें कोई रिलेशन बताना पड़ेगा कैसा है. तो हमने देखा कि 1 से लेकर के n वाला भी जो होगा ना, इनको यदि मैं प्रोसीड करूं तो n वाला टर्म क्या होगा? 1 ही होगा. नीचे में देखो, ये पहला टर्म 2 है, दूसरा टर्म 3 है, तीसरा टर्म में 4 है, चौथे टर्म में क्या है? 5 है. मतलब जो फर्स्ट टर्म है उसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं क्या? 1 + 1. सेकेंड टर्म को 2 + 1 लिख सकता हूं, थर्ड टर्म को 3 + 1, फोर्थ टर्म को 4 + 1, फिफ्थ टर्म को 5 + 1, and the sixth one will be the 6 + 1, seventh will be the 7 + 1. So what will be the n term? Can we say that n + 1? Yes. So instead of writing n, okay, we have to write on 1/n + 1. Everyone got this? Gauri, you got it?
Yes, sir.
So instead of writing n, okay, so when we can write down n, जब आपको 1/1, 1/2, 1/3, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5 ऐसा दिया रहेगा. मैंने फर्स्ट टर्म में ही 2 लिया है, means I can write down first term equal to the 2 + 1. Okay, second term as a 2, first term as 1 + 1, second term as 2 + 1, third term as 3 + 1, n term क्या होगा? n + 1. And from here I can say that कि जो हमारा x और n के बीच में जो रिलेशन है, that is basically x equal to 1/n + 1, where n belongs to what? Natural number.
Natural number.
And n is less than
7.
7 or 9. 7 or 8? 8. Because when you put n equal to 7, less than 8 का मतलब क्या होता है? Or you can write on like this also. n is less than and equal to 7. मतलब 7 और 7 से छोटा. 1 2 3 4 5 6 until 7. तो 7 तक लो. If you put n equal to 7, तो 7 + 1 कितना होगा? 8. If you put n equal to 6, तो 1/6 + 1 7. देखो हर एक टर्म आ जाएगा. And this is the correct way to write down the what? Set builder form. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I had one doubt.
Yeah, ask me.
Sir, instead of writing, like instead of writing 1 / n + 1, I wrote 1 / n. I wrote n belongs to natural numbers. Then I wrote that n is.
Wait a minute. what you wrote, let me
Yes, sir.
know कि x such that
Sir,
x
yes,
equal to
sir.
yeah
1 by n.
1 by n,
N belongs to natural numbers.
n belongs to natural number,
N greater than equals to 2
n greater than equal to 2,
and lower than and equals to 8.
more than equal to 8 means less than or more than, n is less than or equal to 8. Yes, like this. It is not more than 8 means 9
Sir,
10
you are
11
not
12.
audible.
Okay, wait just a second. Okay, so it will be not more than 8, it will be less than 8, because if you take more than 8 means
I wrote, sir, I said less than it only.
okay, no issue, no issue. So it will be less than 8, like this. Listen, I'm not saying this is incorrect. Okay, I'm not saying this is incorrect. Okay, but the way to write down, way to form, okay, way to form is like this. So look, I'm not saying this is incorrect. Got my point? Hello, am I audible? Hello. गलत इनको भी नहीं बोल सकते हैं कि बिकॉज इट सेटिस्फाई दैट कंडीशन, इस कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है क्योंकि आपने एन सारा कुछ आपने वहां पे पुट किया है. ओके, ये भी राइट है, नॉट, हम ऐसे रॉन्ग नहीं बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है. बट द वे टू एक्सप्रेस, ओके, जैसे आपने ये दो कंडीशन ले रहे हो ना, ओके, दो कंडीशन ले रहे हो इन दैट, ओके, तो थोड़ा सा आपको थोड़ा सा वहां पे मतलब बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट को यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम होगा. और जब एमसीक्यू वगैरह फॉर्म होता है ना स्लो का, तो आपको ऐसे कंडीशन में नहीं देगा, वो ऐसे कंडीशन में देगा. दैट्स व्हाई prefer this method instead of this. This is also correct. You will get the 100% mark for this also and for this also. But आपको यदि क्वेश्चन पेपर को स्ट्रेट करके एमसीक्यू पैटर्न में डालता है, ओके, तो उस केस में आपको ऐसा वाला आपको टर्म दिखेगा इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस. क्लियर विद दिस?
Sir, you want to say that in MCQ questions, they want to make it as simple as possible, right?
Not as this is also simple. This is also simple. Okay, but listen, there are the certain way to write it down. Okay, why you start? Why I start from 1 by 8? I can start from the 1 by 8 here. I can take this term here also. ना, कुछ भी स्विच भी कर सकते हैं. बट एक मेथड होता है ना, पहले 1 लिखते हैं, 2 फिर 2 3 ऐसा लिखते हैं. तो एक जो अरेंजमेंट होता है ना, एक वे टू राइट इट डाउन होता है ना, तो दोनों मेथड प्रेफर किया जाएगा. लेकिन आपको मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम जो ऑप्शंस वगैरह में दिखेगा, ये दिखेगा इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस. मतलब दिस इज द कंक्लूजन, बोथ इज राइट. सो बोथ आर राइट, इसमें कोई इशू नहीं है. ओके